Hey there, RideShareDan here, this time with a quick tip on tire maintenance. As rideshare drivers, we want to make sure to prolong the life of our tires. We do not want to be replacing them prematurely. One way to make sure that this happens is you want to make sure that your tires have even tread wear. This means you want to make sure to get your tires rotated and your wheels aligned. And how I accomplished this is when I bought my tires, I made sure that the place would also rotate the tires for free. And I also bought a package that would pay for lifetime alignments on my vehicle as long as I own the vehicle. Now the cost for this lifetime package is usually about 2 or 3 times the price of one alignment. So you will pay for it many times over because every time you bring in the vehicle to get the tires rotated, just have them aligned as well. But the other thing I want to make sure to recommend is to get the tire warranty. We as rideshare drivers are pulling over a lot. We're coming over to the side of the road a lot more than your standard driver. And when we do this, that's where most of the garbage on the road is going to be. Most of your nails, broken glass, anything that could cause damage to your tires is going to get kicked over to the side of the road. And we are more likely to encounter them because we are pulling over to the side of the road more often than most anybody else. So if we're more likely to get nails in our tires, we want to make sure that we protect our tires. And so when I get damage done to my tires, I can bring it back in and I can have them check out the tire, and if it's repairable, the tire warranty will pay for the repair at no cost to me. And if it's not repairable and it needs to be replaced, the replacement cost will be prorated based off of the tread wear. And as we've discussed before, if we make sure that our tread wear is even, it's not going to be as bad, so the cost to replace won't be as quickly increased as if we didn't get the proper tire maintenance done. So there's 3 things you want to make sure. Make sure you get your tires rotated, make sure you get your wheels aligned, and make sure that you get the tire warranty so that if something happens to your tires, and as rideshare drivers it's more likely to happen than regular drivers, you are going to either get it repaired for free or replaced at a prorated cost. The other day, I got a tire replaced for 18 bucks because I got damage to my tire that soon after getting it replaced. So, again, these are some of the best tips I think I can give you on tire maintenance. And please remember to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Go to Twitter and follow me at RideShareDan, and Facebook at RideShareDan as well. Thank you very much.